Bubul's Big Puja Day. The picnic was over, but Bubul's heart was still full of happy feelings. The next morning, he woke up with a big smile. Durga Puja is almost here, he whispered to himself. He couldn't wait to see the beautiful pandals. He quickly got dressed and ran to the phone. I have to call Jontu and Mina, he said. He wanted to make a plan for the first day of the festival. Jontu answered first. Let's all go pandal hopping together. Jontu suggested. We can see all the amazing decorations and the big Durga idol. Next, Bubul called Mina. That's a wonderful idea, she said. I'll wear my new dress and we can all go together. Bubul's mother, Rita, helped him pick out his favorite shirt. You look so handsome, Bubul, she said with a hug. Soon, Jontu and Mina arrived at Bubul's house. They were all dressed up and ready to go. Let's go see the big Durga Ma, Mina said. Bubul's father, Dhruba, led the way. They walked down the street, which was decorated with bright lights and colorful flags. The air was filled with music. They arrived at the pandal. It was a giant, beautiful tent filled with people. In the middle, a huge idol of Durga Ma stood tall, surrounded by her children. Jontu pointed at the idol. Look at her beautiful clothes and all her jewelry, he said. They stood for a long time, just looking at the stunning statue. They had so much fun celebrating together. As they walked home, they talked about all the other pandals they would visit. This is the best Durga Puja ever, Bubul said, and his friends agreed.